Hey there, military buffs. Imagine a battlefield where robots decide who to target. Sounds like sci-fi. Well, welcome to the dawn of AI in warfare. I'm diving into this fascinating yet controversial territory. Let's explore how AI is transforming military tech. First off, AI isn't just about robots on the ground, it's everywhere, from drones in the sky to submarines in the deep sea. These autonomous systems are designed to process vast amounts of data and make decisions faster than any human could. Imagine a drone equipped with AI identifying targets and striking with precision. No human intervention required. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. AI can analyze patterns and predict enemy movements, giving military forces a strategic edge. Think of it as having a super-intelligent advisor always ready to suggest the best course of action. It's like playing chess, but with real lives at stake. Now, here's where it gets controversial. When robots choose their targets, who is accountable? Can we trust AI to make ethical decisions in the chaos of war? These are tough questions that military experts and ethicists are grappling with because, let's face it, an algorithm doesn't have a conscience, but the potential benefits are hard to ignore. AI can greatly reduce human casualties by taking